Hi everybody. So in the last part of the video, I'm gonna find AD. Okay, promise. You have my word. Okay. So notice that I will find AD for you, man. This is like I love, and I mean. Speaking of I Found You, I believe there's this song. It's pretty good. I found you in a lonely hour, something like that. By The Wanted, okay? It's a good song, very catchy. Okay, if you notice that, you have angle BAF equal to angle CAD. And then you also have, angle AFB equal to angle ACD. This is given because it's the bisector. This right here, let me highlight it. This right here. These two angles are equal. Okay. But why this AFB equal ACD? Well, it's because of this thing right here we just proved. ADC similar to BDF. So you will have what? You will have ACD equal to BFD. You have to write in the right order, okay? ACD and then BFD, okay? And BFD and AFB is the same thing. It's the same thing. Look, BFD is this angle, right? AFB is also this angle. It's this angle right here. They're same. They're the same thing. They just sometimes mathematics is confused because that they are the same thing, but people express it differently. You have to realize it, okay? So I'm here to point out you they are the same. So in conclusion, we have AFB equals ACD because triangle ADC similar to triangle BDF. Okay. So you will have what? You have triangle AFB similar to triangle ACD. Okay. The reason why, well, you have to call it correctly. So A equal to A, okay? Similar. A equal to A. F equal to C. F equal to C. Okay? B equal to D. B right here equal to D right here. They have to be similar, okay? If you call it like ABF similar to ACD, it will be wrong, okay? It have to be AFB because F equal to C. If you write ABF similar to ACD, you will get B equal to C, which is not correct. B and C is different. B is bigger than C, okay? Okay. And then after the triangle, after you write that, you get another ratio, okay? Let me write the ratio out. AF over AC equal to FB over CD equal to AB over AD, okay? And then once again, you have to pick which one is useful. Definitely we pick this one because they have AD. We're looking for AD. I'm looking for you. And then the other one, well, I'm gonna pick this one. And the reason why is I'm gonna explain to you later. A lot of people gonna say that. I'm gonna explain to you later, but it is what it is, man. I cannot explain to you right now. Okay, I'm gonna pick that ratio, and then if you cross multiply, you have AD times AF equal to AB times AC. Okay. Let's summarize our clue right here. We have what? We have AD times AF equal to AB times AC. Let's label this one, and then AD times DF equal to BD times DC. Let's label this 2. This is from here. and this one is from here. Oh, and if you guys didn't know why I got that, please go back and watch my previous video, okay? I walk you guys through this from the beginning, okay? Now watch the magic. 2 minus 1. What do you have? You have that AD times AF minus AD times DF equal to AB times AC minus BD times DC. You agree? That's what I do. Do 2 minus 1. No. My apologies. It's 1 minus 2. Oh my god. I read backward. Okay, sorry. Okay, now you factor this. AD times AF minus DF. Okay, now is the cool part. AB, I'm going to replace it with a letter, okay? AB, I replace with C. Okay, C is right here. Show you. Right here. Okay. And then AB, AC is B. BD is, we only found it in the previous video somewhere. Oh, there you are. AC times AC over B plus C. DC, I replace it with this AB over B plus C. B over B plus C. Okay. And then what you have? What is AF minus DF? You look at the picture. AF minus DF is AD. Look. Because AD plus DF equal to AF. Right? So AD is AF minus DF. So AF minus DF, I replaced it with AD. So AD times AD equal to BC minus A square BC over B plus C square. I just simplified it, okay? So you have AD square equal to BC minus A square BC over B plus C square. And then you've arrived at the final result is if you take the square root both sides, you have AD equal to square root of BC minus A square BC over B plus C square. And if you take square root of BC out, you have square root of BC times square root of 1 minus A square over B plus C square. And now I present you the final result of AD if you are given the two triangle, okay? Oh, one very important thing. You can only do this. You can only do square root of A times square root of B. Oh, I apologize. You can only do A, B equal to square root of A times square root of B if A and B are both greater or equal to 0. Okay, so you have BC here, this is greater or equal to 0, and this one is also greater or equal to 0 because B plus C always greater than A. This is triangular inequality. You can look it up. Like, I can do a proof about this, but I think you sometimes you can, you know, you can accept that it exists. So you have this, so you have 1 minus A squared over B squared greater than 0 for sure. Okay, so both is positive, so you can take the square root out. Okay, you can you can, you know, you can fracture it, decompose it, whatever, like you can turn to two smaller fraction. Okay, so in this video I conclude the discussion of bisector, and I wish you have an amazing Friday. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope whenever you see a bisector on a triangle, you won't have a chill running through your spine anymore. Have a good day. Thank you.